Hey guys, it's Christian from Pick Your Photo again. Hopefully you have already seen my first video on how to set up your account, your Pick Your Photo account in about 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 6 minutes. I'm going to go through how to upload your very first gallery here. So if you followed me on the last video, you will see that I had, in this new account, I have just public galleries showing over here, and I can see my profile right here. Only public galleries here, right? But I don't actually have any public galleries. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to do first upload. You're going to make it a public gallery. So you're going to go over here and hit upload. You're going to upload your very first gallery. I'll start with my aerial photos because I'm quite fond of them. Okay, and right here, if you want to add more, you can always add more media, or you can delete them simply by clicking on the X right here and saying that doesn't really represent my best work. So then I hit done with images. Yes is going to be somebody who booked with you on Pick Your Photo. No is like a client that you want to book, or sorry, that you booked separately outside of the platform. You can enter all their information. Or others, where I can enter in my public photos. So by default they are public, unless I give it some other status, private, password protected, or allow free downloads is also public. I can make I can allow free downloads, for example. I can turn it into products with these ones. Basically, by default, I just give it a title and then I press approve, and they will end up on my public profile. I can go to view public profile here. And what I'm going to see is my gallery here, my aerial photography. And so somebody can click on that and they can go and they can even shortlist them, which if they want to, keep like a list of whatever of their favorites, I guess. And then we'll go over here and say, okay, I'm not done adding my portfolio. I want to upload another gallery. We'll go ahead and click to add another one. I'm also quite fond of, let's say, my portraits. I'm going to upload those ones. And as soon as those are finished uploading, I'm going to go ahead and click the same thing. Either I add new media or I can delete some if I don't like them that much. Done with images. Go to other. And again, by default, it is, by default, ends up on a public gallery. If I don't click anything else, it will end up there. I hit approve. And then, of course, over here on my profile, oops, I'm all over the place here. And now we'll end up with 2 galleries here, and they'll just keep adding on and adding on as long as I keep adding more galleries, right? And somebody who's looking at these can go through them just like that. You can do exactly the same thing with videos if that's what you want to do. Maybe I've got my separate video portfolio, so I'll just drag over my videos that I've edited here and wait for the upload. The videos will take a few minutes to process, but this is what you see until they're finished. You can also, I mean, if you only have one video, you know which one it is. You can even delete it straight from here. But obviously, you don't want to go deleting things if you don't know what they are. But we'll just give that a few minutes to process. Okay, I feel like it's not quite finished processing, but I think I can pretty much show you what's going on here now that it's pretty much done, right? As you can see, it's showing you the low resolution. That's just so you can see what it is. That's all you need to do. It'll show you higher resolution on the actual page. But then you say, all right, I'm done. Again, we're going to go motorcycle videos, we'll call it that. And then approve. No need to tick anything here because we're not adding a product or anything. Okay, and from there we're going to go back to our profile, refresh the page. And so we've got obviously the first 2 galleries here, and what you're going to notice is that there's a file here. There's a file, but the thumbnail hasn't generated yet. Pretty clear, right? It'll only take a few minutes for the thumbnail to generate itself from the video. It's a lot faster with images just because they're images, but that's how it works. So all of these have thumbnails that have not generated yet, but as soon as you mouse over them, you can see the video, and you can click on it and you get a higher resolution video, so that people can kind of see what it's all about. And this is your portfolio. So basically there you have it. Now you officially have a portfolio on Pick Your Photo. You have your public galleries here, profile, background color. This kind of defines your style, name, tagline, as well as your photo galleries. And I'll show you the end once everything has been generated. I'll show you this, what this actually looks like. Alright, well that took less time than I thought, but basically this is what it looks like. So this is the automatically generated thumbnail. You can change this thumbnail if you just put the first image in your gallery as, you know, whatever you want the thumbnail to be. So if I wanted to change this, I would upload a fresh gallery, upload the first image first, and then add new videos. That's an option. You go here, and you've got all these thumbnails here, and of course the videos play automatically when you mouse over them like this. Mouse over this, it'll play automatically, and then you can click on this, you get a high resolution of the video.